Today I'm going to attempt to finish up my driveway project. When I had my driveway poured, I had him route this downspout drain underneath the driveway and out on the other side here. I ran 4-inch plastic pipe underneath the driveway, and I'm going to connect to that some plastic drainage pipe. We'll show you how to do that up next here on Bud's Odd Jobs. Materials you need to do this job is, of course, you need some perforated pipe. I've got 2 sections of 10-foot perf pipe. You need some good quality landscaping cloth. This is professional grade with a lifetime guarantee. That's, of course, to line the hole when you backfill it with gravel so that you don't get a lot of debris coming in and clogging up your perforated pipe. You also need some digging and grading tools. I've got my shovel, my lawn rake, and also a Mantix, so in case I get into some roots I can use that to cut through those roots. My neighbor had a project where he put in some perf pipe. He had some stone left over and he was gracious enough to allow me to use that stone. Once I get it graded out, I'll go ahead and seed it and then cover it with some straw as well. So my idea is to dig this trench. Actually down at the end there, it's a little deeper. I backfill with some of the stones that I took out when I graded this driveway, and then dig that trench a little longer. I'll line it with landscaping cloth, backfill with gravel up to the grade where I'm going to lay the pipe in, wrapped in landscaping cloth, and then go ahead and backfill with a little more gravel, which I'll cover then with the leftover landscaping cloth, and then backfill with the dirt. That's the plan. So this driveway was in fairly bad shape, so I had the driveway poured, which meant that I had to do some landscaping. As you can see, it was pretty torn up after they laid the driveway in. I had a large pile of dirt or soil in the backyard of my property, or the back of my property. Hauled probably about 20 loads in to regrade the driveway and to reseed it. I'll show you some pictures of what it looked like after I got it reseeded, and as you can see now the grass has come up really nice, and I'll just need to get this part finished here and we'll be good to go for the winter. I'm sort of battling the weather today. It was kind of drizzly this morning. We're supposed to get rain starting at 2. Right now it is 10 o'clock, so I need to get shoveling. call this deep enough, we're going to start to lay some landscaping cloth in that hole to kind of line the hole, and then I'll start backfilling with gravel, and we can lay our pipe on top of that gravel and then backfill some more on top with gravel after I line the pipe with the landscaping cloth. That was a tough dig. There was a lot of roots in that hole, as you can see in my little trailer there. It got into some really big roots, so that was a tough job. So we're going to dump that trailer after I line the hole and go over and get some of that gravel. Okay, a couple important notes at this point. When you lay this pipe, you want to make sure that this green line is up. With the green line up, that positions your perforated holes on the bottom of the line. The other thing I'm going to do, just for good measure, is I'm going to go ahead and Gonna make a makeshift clamp where this goes onto the plastic 4-inch pipe, just to kind of hold it in place. I'll just use a piece of wire clothes hanger and wrap that around and tighten it. Okay, my homemade clamp is on, good and tight. We're ready to backfill this with gravel, and then we'll cover over with the landscaping cloth. Okay, got it backfilled, and what I think I'll do is, since we're getting rain this afternoon, I'll let this get soaked and let it settle real good. I'll backfill it as needed, and once it's good and settled, I'll rake it out, seed it, put some straw on it, and we should be job done. Hey, thanks for watching today. I really appreciate it. Encourage you to subscribe. Check out my channel. There's a lot of good content. I've got a lot of good content coming up, so you don't want to miss that. So when you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification bell. That notification bell will ensure that anytime I post new content, that you'll know that it's up there. Appreciate you watching. See you next time.